Welcome back to the Organic Rose. Today, my good friend Umit is going to teach us some really cool stuff. What are we doing?
Well, we are doing a rice dish today. A little bit Indian-inspired rice dish.
Okay.
All vegetarian, all gluten-free, and all dairy-free. This is based kind of like our interpretation of Indian rice dish called biryani.
Okay.
But this is, again, nothing authentic. That's our interpretation of it. So it's going to be flavorful, very aromatic.
Okay.
And it could be as a dish in itself, as a main course, or we can use it as side dishes to go with other curries and stuff.
Oh, curries.
Yeah. So this is our version of biryani, vegetarian biryani. So we're going to start with some peanut oil.
So why peanut oil?
Well, it has a good aromatic flavor.
Okay.
And also holds up the heat good.
Okay.
As opposed to olive oil. And
which tends to burn faster.
correct.
Right?
So we're going to...
This one right here.
This one is here.
Yep.
There you go. Pretty high heat.
Okay.
The first thing we're going to do is onions, saute onions. And we're going to saute them pretty aggressively and get a good, nice color.
Okay.
Not just like a regular, you would do like translucent. No, you're going to get a good color.
Okay.
And meanwhile, the onions are cooking, what we got as far as vegetables.
Tell me.
So we have fresh vegetables here. Diced bell peppers and carrots. Some cut up squash.
Okay.
Green beans.
Okay.
And we got some chickpeas that are pre-cooked.
Garbanzos.
Pre-cooked chickpeas. And that's going to go in the pan a little bit later.
Okay.
And then we're going to use the basmati rice. We have here 2 cups of basmati rice, which is soaked and drained.
So why do you soak it?
Get the extra starch out.
Okay.
So that it comes nice and fluffy. It won't stick together.
Okay.
And get extra starch out and get some more moisture in it.
I think my grandmother used to do that.
Yeah. So this is a good quality, again, Lundberg's, I think.
Okay.
Good quality basmati rice. We soaked it about 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then...
In cold water or warm water?
Cold water.
Cold water.
And then while the onion is going again, let's talk about our spice mixes.
Okay.
So here we have whole spices, star anise, cardamom, and cloves. So we're gonna put in the little sachet, and you wanna hold it? I'll tie it.
Sure.
That's gonna go inside the rice. After it's cooked, we'll take it out.
Okay. So what's in here again?
Star anise, cloves, and cardamom.
Okay.
You see, onion is already getting nice and
quite aromatic. Okay, let's fold this up just like a little packet.
Okay. Let's tie this up. So that makes it easier to fish it out.
Okay.
Take it out after the rice is cooked. In the meanwhile, we'll give you a. Okay, that's our little packet.
Okay.
And here the spice mix. Now,
what's in there?
this is
I want all the secrets too.
all the
okay?
secrets. So
Don't
this
hide anything from me.
No secrets.
Okay.
This is cinnamon, nutmeg,
Okay.
coriander powder, ground coriander, cumin, and gram masala. Gram masala is like another spice, Indian spice mix. Yeah, they're getting there.
Yep.
We want to get some color to them. So, and gram masala.
Oh, that smells divine.
And then here we have other aromatics. This is a finely grated garlic,
Okay.
ginger, and turmeric, fresh turmeric. So that's going to give you the nice color.
Turmeric's really expensive, huh? When you buy it fresh like that.
Yeah, but it goes long ways.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're tiny, yeah.
They look like little miniature ginger roots.
But gives you a vibrant color and flavor. Onions getting some color there.
Yep.
Maybe another minute.
Okay.
And then later, when it's done, you're going to put some unsalted roasted cashews on top for extra crunch. We don't want to cook it with the rice after it's done as a garnish.
Okay. And you just mix them into the cooked rice.
At this stage, I'm going to add our spice mix. Includes the gram masala and all the other stuff. Get them a little toasted. And get all the aroma out.
Okay.
So that we don't have the raw spice taste.
Oh, it really smells good.
Yeah, it comes out. It's a little bit toasted. Onions got color. Now we're gonna add our grated ginger, garlic,
Okay.
and turmeric. Get every bite, huh?
Get your money's worth out of here.
So the basmati rice to water ratio is just like with pretty much any other rice. So we got 2 cups of basmati rice here,
Okay.
and then we're gonna put 4 cups of water.
So 2 to 1 then.
2 to 1.
Okay.
So that's
So what's going to go in next in there?
next. We're gonna put the vegetables.
Okay. Oh, you got an escapee.
There you go, chef.
Okay, thank you.
We're gonna saute these a little bit more heat, and then another minute or so. At this stage, also we're gonna add our salt because there's no salt yet.
Okay. What kind of salt are you using?
This is a. You tell me. You told me about this salt. There's a special salt that you got.
Always, everything in this kitchen is
Oh, okay.
special, including
tell me
you and
so-
I.
Nah.
It's from an organic salt manufacturer in Northern California, and he sells it by the pound. So I usually get I'll call him and we'll visit for a while, and I'll get like a 10 or 15, maybe a 20-pound bag, and then he just sells it in bulk, and I just buy it like that, and then I just store it and use it as I use it.
Oh. Very
I
nice
actually make
consistency, dude.
I take some of that salt from our house salt, and here I'll put it over here.
Smoked salt, huh?
Yeah, I got some smoked salt mixed in with it, and it just gives it a little bit of smoke essence to the salt, and I use it for everything.
So at this stage, you can smell it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All the ginger, the garlic, all the
That smells really
spice
good.
mix, and nice and colorful.
It's very
Now,
much
at this
so.
stage, now we're gonna add our rice. It's
Okay.
This is not cooked. It's a pre-cooked, pre-soaked, and drained well.
Okay.
So
And the soaking again is to remove all that excess
extra
starch,
starch, and yeah. So another minute, you can see the rice is getting the color from the turmeric.
Right? Yep. Oh yeah, starting to get that nice yellow.
I've seen some recipes they using saffron too.
You want some?
No, we'll keep it.
I have some.
I know you do, but we're gonna keep it turmeric.
Okay.
Okay, now
Quite aromatic.
water.
Here you go, chef.
This is not unlike paella, right?
Very similar.
In a way.
Different country.
So we're gonna bring to boil, and then we're gonna put in the oven for 20 minutes. Oven is about 325.
Yep.
It should take about 20 minutes. And at this stage, we put our little
Sachet.
of spices, whole spices.
And then after, once it's in there for long enough, then we'll go ahead and pull it out.
Yeah, after it's cooked, we take it out, rest it, fluff
Okay.
it, and a couple of bay leaves.
Okay.
So once this comes to boil, we're gonna put the lid. We're gonna put it
Okay.
in the oven, set the
Okay.
timer for 20 minutes.
Okay.
So it is coming to boil, as you see.
Yep.
And we're gonna put the lid, and it goes down the oven.
Okay. And you say 20 minutes?
20 minutes. I'm gonna set my alarm. We'll check it out in 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll come back. We'll be ready.
So I think this is going to go great with some lamb curry. We'll go into
I
that.
agree. That would be great.
Yeah, we'll go into that next. So it's been so wonderful having you here, and I learn so much from you all the time. No matter how I've known you for so many years, but I still learn from you. You still teach me.
It's
and
mutual.
I appreciate that.
It's mutual, bro.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, Steve. So about 20-25 minutes in the oven.
Okay.
Our rice is ready. We
Okay.
get them out of the oven. So we're gonna little ceremony. We're gonna take the lid out. Probably is gonna hit you right in the nose. All that aromatics that we put in.
Oh, I thought you were going to say my big nose.
Oh wow!
Crack that puppy. Oh,
There you
beautiful.
go. Nice and steamy. So let's
smells
take
so
that
good.
sachet that we made.
Okay, and put
Let's
it right
take
in
it
there.
out.
There we go.
And then we're gonna put some roasted cashews.
Okay.
All the veggies cooked, all the rice is cooked. And let it fluff it up a little bit. Now we'll give it a taste. And let's get this bay leaf.
I always use a fork to fluff the rice up instead of a spoon. It just tends to make it a little bit more fluffy even. It just incorporates more air into the pot.
So
Oh man, that smells
as
good.
we talked earlier, this could be easily as a dish in itself.
Yeah, just like that.
Just have it this hits all the, you know,
So it's vegan, it's
a
vegetarian,
vegan,
it's dairy-free,
it's dairy-free, gluten-free,
and it tastes good.
and tastes good. Already smells, ooh. And piping hot. Well, let's give it a taste.
Okay.
I'm sure that's gonna go with the nice lamb curry.
I'm sure it will too.
It's hot.
Una cosa de delicia.
Oh, okay. Some little Spanish there, huh?
Very
good.
delicious. That just smells amazing. You did an
Thank you.
awesome job.
Thank you.
We'll catch you next time on The Organic Rose.
So pretend like you're talking.
Yeah. Smells still good, right?
It smells very good, yeah.
Aromatic. All right.